Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kiwei ni Jingïakob Ñiah Lieng red lane kayaking kabahe tam hapo kari India ya kabalatip kertengkom Megalia kayak fest arhajar arpuar lasdang no amantak sengi hakawa umtro kabahab ha Umtham Ribhoi district ringkat kinong Ïashim Bynta na Lieng kiri kaperthai ya kani Jingïakob Ñiah Lieng red kaba South Sengi lenter lapanya the Ribhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society Limited haringkat bat ka Jingïakob bat ka tenat Megalia Tourism bat kumban supentep ka Mega Kayak Fest kadiru kabala itu kum kata ka International Whitewater Kayaking Competition hagani kalampong gidan Bynta ba kongsan bagi nong Ïashim Bynta ki habanya kun Kiwei kadai ka Down River Time Train hagas ngi sedang menta ka sengi lawan ban Ïashim Bynta dagi nong yakun gibampat datbet lani kita ki amateur participants ki balawan na kaleng kari India baru na kasnong Umtham bat berwa Kinong Ïashim Bynta ba paunam ka perthai giban yakun lasai hakatop jong ki balak tebet lani kata ka professional event ki kentop nadu kinong job Olympic ki barim batru ki bamenta kumu Giovanni de Gennaro ka Sofia Reynoso Vafra Radilek kala adu jong ka extreme kayaking world ka Nuria Newman o Adrian Matton lambat Kiwei de na kumba arpautli kiri ka perthai.
So as far as the kayaking festival here goes, this is the 5th edition of the kayak festival, but this is one of the biggest editions, and thanks to like the Meghalaya Tourism and thanks to the Ribhoi Cooperative Society, they have made this possible. It's a good there's a good prize money. It's among the highest amount of prize money for any kayaking competition in the world, which is why we've attracted a lot of people for this competition. Almost 60 to 70 participants are there today. We have about 18 to 20 different nationalities. We have people from France, we have people in Czechoslovakia, Czech Republic, we have people from New Zealand, people from Mexico, America, from all 4 corners of the world. A lot of kayakers from India also have come. People have come from Uttarakhand, people have come from Karnataka, people have come from Kerala. So I would say that this is like one of the biggest adventure sports festivals that is happening in India right now, or even Asia, in terms of like the kind of quality of athletes that are there competing at this festival. So, and also for the athletes, they are very happy to be here because Meghalaya has a lot of like amazing rivers from medium rivers to like very hard rivers. So all the international athletes that have come from different places, they are really enjoying being in Meghalaya with the weather. Now it's changing, it's becoming a little bit nicer. And also the flows are pretty strong, and the competition here, people have got a place to stay, and the setting is so beautiful that I think everybody, including the organizers, are having a great time over here.
Regarding to the location,
This is, I think, one of the best setups that you can have anywhere in the country. The kind of access that you have to this particular section. This is like about a class 3 to class 4 section, which means it is medium to hard difficulty, and it's a great place to train people. So if you all can maybe set up like a proper kayaking center over here with like access to equipment, because you have the access to the river. If you can coordinate like the schedules with the dam upstream, so there is water like for a couple of hours a day, I think this can be like one of the best centers in this country for the sport, for training of the sport. So in fact, from the 2024 Olympics, this particular discipline that we are going to have, the race that we are going to have on the 15th, that is set to become an Olympic sport, and we want to like showcase that we can execute or organize a race for that Olympic sport right over here, so that this can automatically become the center for that particular race in India. And yeah, in that sense, like the area is great. You have access to the water, you have like a great river over here. Just need to develop the facilities over here a little better, have access to equipment, have access to better coaches, and have a proper format where people from the local villagers who want to take up the sport, or even people from Shillong, right, or people rest of Meghalaya, if they want to take up the sport, they can come here, train, and get better at
what
it.
you see
It's that I've seen, because I live in Bangalore, and I have seen some of these athletes come to Kerala and train over there. And there's some like great amount of talent, because the people who come from these villages are quite athletic in general, and for this kind of sport you have to be a strong athlete. So yeah, people over here seem to be like mountain people, naturally built, and as long as they are comfortable with the water, they can definitely pick up the sport and get better at it. So yeah, I see the future is great because you have a great playground, And all we need to do is make some infrastructure and kayaks and this available to you all. And then there is no stopping people from Meghalaya to going like great places.
My name is Ian Vincent and my wife Sheila Vincent, and we are here at Umtham at Whitewater Village, and this is the 5th edition of the Mega Kayak Fest, and this is the biggest edition so far thanks to Meghalaya Tourism, which has supported this event. And as you can see from the other footage, it's very fantastic sport, very exciting, exhilarating. It's a wonderful sport, and we have around 15 local boys from the villages here who are training and learning the sport, and they have also represented Meghalaya in Kerala recently, and previously Karnataka and Uttarakhand, and our vision is to train them to World Championships level and to build a training facility here which can train the boys and girls. We want the girls also involved, train them up to the Olympics level to go in the future Olympics.
We invested in all the kayaks and the gear, but right now as we have formed the society, we are thinking of investing through the society so that all these years we have trained our local boys free of charge, and but it is not sustainable to do at a personal level. So we believe that through the cooperative society we will be able to give them that facility to train.
It's awesome here. I love it. I'm super happy to be in India and it's great.
Yeah, it's my first time too and I'm enjoying it. I'm trying to reach as much people as I can and enjoy as much paddling as possible. I really love it.
We're competing in the professional category.
Yeah.
We don't know how many they are, but I think there's quite a bit of paddlers, so it will be exciting.
It's really nice. The water is changing a lot during day by day, so we need to adapt every time. The rapid is quite fun, and to put some slalom gates, it makes it even more interesting. And yeah, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be hard, and it's gonna be like really a good memory when we come back.
My name is Yuzil Yangrai. I stay in Shillong Whitewater Village in Umtham, and I am 11 years old.
So did you experience?
It's good.
Is there any challenges?
There was a class 3 rapid at the bottom, so
That's the challenge.
From Umtham, go Bastion. Lot of power as he charges down the river, going for a different line this time. Looks like he's scouted the river down the west line down. Go Bastion, he's got a very good chance in this race. Round 2 is almost completed. Go Indra! Indra Sharma, 13 years old. Go Indra from Umtham village. Very keen paddler. Go Indra! Go, go, go! Indra's very enthusiastic.
whenever you are ready, give me a thumbs up. Alright, countdown for number 9 here. 3, 2, 1, go!
Vikas Rana, 19 years old, from Umtham village, making a very good start, powering away. Jingïakob, 16 years old, from Umtham.